Upgrading gutters and installing gutter guards on new home construction cuts long-term maintenance and keeps water flowing away from the foundation. Start with stainless steel micro mesh guards because they block debris but still let water through. Choose 200 micrometer or finer openings for reliable performance, and confirm the mesh is marine grade to resist corrosion. Opt for seamless gutters to minimize joints that leak and collect debris. Have the installer roll form gutters on site to match the roofline and reduce fastener penetrations. Ensure proper slope by pitching gutters at roughly 1/4 inch per 10 feet toward downspouts to prevent standing water and sediment buildup. Add downspout filters and splash blocks to trap remaining debris and dissipate flow energy at the discharge point so soil erosion and basement seepage risks drop. Include accessible cleanouts at the front and rear ends of the system so periodic flushing can be done without removing guards or bending panels. Finally, size the system conservatively for roof area and local rainfall intensity and run water tests before closing to verify sheet flow and capacity. A common issue is guards that clog because mesh size was chosen too fine for heavy leaf loads. Pick an appropriate mesh and plan for annual inspection to remove accumulated surface debris. Another is improper slope or undersized downspouts that cause standing water and overflow during storms. Correct this by regrading sections to 1/4 inch per 10 feet and using 1.5 inch or larger equivalent downspout capacity per roof area guidelines. A third is damage from thermal expansion or poor fastening leading to sagging and leaks. Use expansion clips on long gutter runs and fasten at recommended spacing with corrosion-resistant hangers to maintain profile and pitch. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find trusted local contractors for gutter and roof upgrades and to help contractors find work in their areas. We also host a discussion community where we and other users share real-world tips, installer recommendations, and project photos to help you plan a low-maintenance system.